In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center content in Notion. If you've ever wondered how people get that clean, balanced look in Notion, where everything feels neatly centered without stretching edge to edge, there's a simple trick. Notion doesn't have a traditional center align page button, but the effect you're after comes from narrowing the page so your content sits comfortably in the middle with even margins on both sides. This not only looks more polished, it also improves readability by keeping line lengths at an easy-to-scan width. Here's how to do it. Open the Notion page you want to tidy up. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu, to open the page options. Inside that panel, look for the setting labeled Full Width. If it's currently on, go ahead and toggle it off. The moment you do, the canvas will contract to a standard width, and your content will visually center itself on the page. You'll notice an immediate difference. Text becomes more comfortable to read, headings feel more intentional, and images and embeds appear framed rather than sprawling across the screen. For documents, notes, wikis, and any page you expect others to read top to bottom, this centered layout helps your work feel organized and professional. It also makes it easier for your audience to focus because their eyes aren't traveling too far from left to right. A quick note about how this behaves across devices. On mobile, Notion already uses a narrow view, so you might not see a dramatic change. The full width toggle is most visible on desktop and in the browser. Also, this setting is per page, which is great. You can keep wide layouts where you need more horizontal room for big databases, and use the centered, narrow layout wherever you want a clean reading experience. If you build pages for sharing or presenting, consider turning off full width early in your process. It sets the tone for thoughtful spacing and helps you make better choices about headings, images, and callouts, because you're designing within a focused column rather than an open expanse. And remember, you can switch this on or off anytime without affecting the actual content, just the way it's displayed. That's all it takes to center content in Notion. Open your page, head to the three-dot menu, find full width, and toggle it off for a crisp, centered result. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.